class. Good morning, madam. How are you? We are fine, thank you, madam. Madam is also fine. You can sit down and take out your mathematics exercise book. Yeah. So today we are still on division. We looked yesterday on division by subtracting. Still we want to continue with the division by subtracting. Division by subtracting, whereby you can have the numbers you divide by subtracting. We divide by subtracting, and subtraction is taking away. Subtraction is taking away. For example, I can have a number like this one. We want to divide 6 divided by 3 by subtraction. We can subtract manual, or we can use how many girls? We can use 6 girls or 6 boys. Can I have 6 girls in the front? Wasichana sita kuja haraka haraka. Boys sita kuja, wasichana wataki. Boys kuja 6. 1 2 3 kuja. Kuja haraka, watu 6. Wasichana kaa. How many boys are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 boys, which is this one, Snivo. Then we want to subtract. So to divide 6, divide by 3 by using subtraction method. At first I will write 6 take away 3. Now they are 6. Let us say 3 of them to sit down. 1 2 3. Can you go away? We have subtracted how many boys? 3. So 6 take away 3. How many are they remaining here? So it is 3. Very good. Then you write 3 take away 3. They have remained 3. Let them sit down. How many boys are here? 0. So it is a 0. We represent it by 0. Now, how many times have we subtracted? 2. So we say 6 divided by 3 is 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. That one we have used subtraction, division by subtraction. Example 2. I need 10 girls. 10 girls. How many girls are in front of us? There are 10 girls. We want to divide 10 divided by 2 using subtraction method. 2 girls to move away. Rueda and Marian. How many are they remaining? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8. Please. Songa kidogo. So we'll take 10, take away 2, it is 8. 10 take away 2, it is 8. Now we say again 2 girls will sit down. 2 girls to sit down. How many are they remaining? How many? 6. They are 6. Now you take 8, take away 2. The answer is 6. Then from 6 girls, 2 to sit down. How many are there remaining in front of us? 4. So you take 6, take away 2 is equal to 4. Now 2 girls again to sit down. How many are there remaining? 2. So we take, it is 2. Then we have 2 take away 2. Now the remaining girls to sit down. How many girls are in front of us? 0. So it is 0. How many times have we subtracted? Let us count. How many? 1 2 3 4 5. So we find 10 divided by 2 as subtraction method. It is 5. It is, clap for yourself for coming in front of us.